Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel of RD Technical Learning. So in this video, would be discussing about one of the Java programming interview question, the Java coding interview question that are frequently asked in the automation testing interviews. And it might also happen that this might be one of the program that might be assisting you to solve a bigger program as well, right? So this is very important program and it is frequently asked. The question is identify and count the number of non-alphanumeric characters in the string. So let's take an example of a string. If you have this kind of a string, okay, this is your string. So you have to identify the count of the non-alphanumeric characters. What is the count of the non-alphanumeric characters? So one is this at the rate and one is this exclamation mark. So this test is alphabetic, 2024 is numeric. So we cannot consider them to be as a part of this particular string since we are looking for non-alphanumeric characters. So non-alphanumeric, one is at the rate and one is exclamation mark. So these two special characters so would be your output. So the count would be 2. Right? So without wasting much of the time, let us start writing this program. Let me create one simple class of non-alphanumeric characters, right? So let's keep it non-alpha. That's a class name. And within this, what we will do is we'll create one main method. Just write main here and you'll get it. Let's take one of the string s1 equal to test at the rate of 2024 exclamation mark. Okay. And we'll have this. And then we'll take one of the character array s2 equal to s1 dot to char array. Now, remember this particular thing, very important. Whenever you have to work with the elements of the string or individual level of characters of the string, right? So always you have to convert it to character array, right? Here also we are looking into the individual level. We'll see each and every character and then we'll identify whether it is alphabetic or it is numeric like that. So always remember, you have to convert it to the character array. Okay. And we'll create one of the variable integer non-alpha equal to 0. Right. So this is one of the integer. We just need the count. So we'll create for now one of the integer variable. Okay. Now what we will do is we'll have a for each loop rather, in which we'll take these two things, character C is to S2, right? We want to traverse. And within this, we will keep condition. We'll keep an if condition here, right? If your character dot is letter or digit, right? And which is that? That is your C, right? Then what we need to do, we need to increment this particular variable by 1, right? So here, for now, just for now, I am keeping this character dot is letter or digit, right? So let us see what is the count we are getting. This is not the actual solution, but this just for your understanding purpose, I'm telling you for now. Okay, so we'll say current file. We'll build this project once and we'll run it. Okay, but we are running it, but we need to also have system.out.println statement. System.out.ln. Okay, this is a variable we would like to print, and let me run it now. So we get the output as 8. So which is TEST, this counts 4, 2024, this further counts 4. So you are getting 8. Our purpose is to get this middle of the characters, which are neither alphabetic nor numeric, at the rate and exclamation mark. So very simple thing we will do, we'll add a not operator here, right? That was the thing I wanted to explain it to you. right? And we got the output as 2, right? So this is how you have to solve this Java program, counting the number of non-alphanumeric characters in the string. So very simple. First, we converted it to char array, and then we created one of the variable whose count we are increasing if we are getting any such characters who are neither alphabetic nor numeric. And then you increment this particular counter in the if condition. We are going for each loop here. And at the end, we are printing this particular thing, right? So a very simple program, but very important for the interview purpose, especially for the automation testing interviews. At times, you might get these kind of questions, so that you have to solve these programs. And it becomes very important now these days as the job interviews are going on. If you are able to solve the Java questions, if you are able to compile them, if you are able to run them, then what would happen is then your automation testing, your Selenium questions would be asked, right? So that's very important to solve these kind of programs, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.